Introduce yourself.
My name is Arij, and I belong to the Multan city. We have four siblings, and I graduated from Air University, and my major is computer science.
Okay, Arij, do you like to have flowers in your home?
I don't like flowers because when they went, I feel sad. My sisters also like flowers, so most of the time we put flowers in our vase and in my home.
Okay, so where would you go to buy flowers?
Um, the famous shop in Multan is on Ika, and whenever I buy flowers, I go Ika and buy some flowers.
Okay, so on what occasions would you give someone flowers?
On my best friend birthday, I gave some different kinds of flowers which she liked, and I buy from a shop and give her.
Okay, so what would you suggest a visitor should see and do in your country?
In my country is Pakistan, and most of the people are afraid from terrorism attacks, and the majority of the visitors are not like to visit Pakistan for that reason. But I like to wish mostly visitors visit our country.
Okay, so are there any traditional arts or music which you recommend?
Traditional music, yes, I like traditional music, and I like to hear traditional music. And the most famous, our most famous writers compose some different kinds of music, and I suggest to listen traditional music.
Okay, so Arij, now it's time for cue card. Here's your cue card, and you have 1 minute to think, and after 1 minute, you have to speak 2 minutes continuously on this topic.
My best choice is to go for foreign studies, and I decided this choice to go for foreign studies between November and December, when my class fellow went abroad for the foreign study, and she motivated me, and she said, please come there, and because the study in the foreign is very good, and I think it's a good decision. It's my good decision because I want PhD in computer science, and therefore I think that foreign study is better for me in PhD. And when I done my graduation in October, I decided to go for abroad for the foreign study, and I think it's my good choice to go for abroad for studies, and I feel this choice inshallah make me better in my future.
Okay, so my next question from part three is how important are ceremonies in our lives?
From our daily hectic routine, most of the ceremonies are very important because most of the ceremonies are our family events where our whole family together, and it's very necessary to attend the ceremonies.
Okay, so do you see the role of private and public ceremonies changing in the future?
Private and public ceremonies, yes, because in my city, the timing of the marriage hall is different. But the majority of the people is like to arrange their ceremonies in public, and due to this, it's a violation of our rules. And because private halls are a fixed timing, and but mostly people arrange public events, and in future, I think in future this will already change.
Okay, so what sort of national events make headlines in your country?
When can you bring it?
Yes, sure. What sort of national events make headlines in your country?
National events like sports events, majority we can see on the TV, and we really enjoy these kinds of events when we see our Pakistan is playing on the national levels, and and it becomes a part of our headlines, and so we really feel good.
Okay, so that's all it is for your interview.
Thank you.